What's up, everyone? Hope you're doing well. Now, you may remember the holiday Nimiq gift cards. If not, here's a little clip. There'll also be a link below. But as you may know, Easter is upon us. So is a certain virus. But during these times, you may be wondering, how can you share your good wishes with your loved ones, those you care about, your family, while still maintaining a good social distance? Well, by sending a gift online. Nimiq has extended the Nimiq gift cards to include the Easter theme. There are 2 designs to pick from, and the best part is they were created by the community by taking part in a design competition. Enjoy the designs by Francis and Dad, and give your family and friends a nice, very nice gift this Easter. To use it, simply visit nimiq.com/cards, link in the description, choose a design, add a message. I'm gonna go with Happy Easter, and then fund your card with your Nimiq account. It really is that simple. Finally, print it as a PDF. We don't want to be sharing any viruses using pieces of paper and whatnot. Anyways, proceed to take a screenshot of the card and then send it to your family so they can become part of the blockchain movement. That's all I have for you today. Be sure to send your loved ones a little gift, and I'll see you in the next one.